Dr. Ferguson, what are the benefits of having a naturopathic doctor for your children?
Well, one of the principles of naturopathic care is prevention. And so I would say that that is one of the big benefits of having your child see a naturopath, is our focus is going to be on preventing disease. So making sure your child has optimal nutrition, optimal health.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the other benefits would be minimization of the use of drugs and medications in children, and that's something a lot of parents are looking for. Are there alternatives to antibiotics for different infections? Are there alternatives to Ritalin? Are there alternatives to corticosteroid treatments for eczema, allergies, etc.?
And there are alternatives.
There are alternatives, and I won't say that you will never need to use another drug again. I'm not here to say that. But I am saying that you can certainly decrease the use of drugs dramatically and your child's need for drugs.
See, because when my mother was raising me and my sisters, drugs were such a given. You know, that was, penicillin was the miracle drug. But it got used too much. You know? So,
yeah, we're seeing the results of that in the super infections that you're finding in hospitals and in daycare centers actually now. You know, bacteria and fungus becoming resistant to antibiotic treatment. So herbs work in a little bit different way, and sometimes bugs can respond better to herbs actually, and they don't have the same potential for creating a superbug. So that is one thing. As far as other drugs go, certainly there are life-saving drugs out there, especially with asthma and allergies, and we absolutely need those. But you can certainly decrease your child's need for them, and that's typically what I'll see when I'm working with more inflammatory type diseases like that, is you know, decreased use of inhalers. You know, my child didn't need it except for once a month. You know, my child is not using their corticosteroid cream, you know, every day. So it's nice to see that.
well, that's great news. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.